Alright everybody, welcome back to Skyway Classics YouTube channel. We're now going for a ride in our 1966 Chevy Chevelle Convertible. Of course, these lovely little Chevelles are always popular of the Chevy family, more importantly to GM. This one we have here featuring a black exterior with the chrome torque thrust wheels. As you do see, we have a black manual top. They have that nice dual exhaust coming from the back. Definitely sounds very nice here. I do want to mention that it is a manual top, not a power top, just to tell the folks out there in the audience. Moving on to the inside now, as you can see, it is an automatic on the floor, having the appropriate 66 Chevelle console. As you do see, they added some aftermarket gauges to make it more accurate. Other than that, you got the 3-spoke aftermarket steering wheel, stock speedometer, and gas gauge. You have this little gauge on the right that could be optional for a clock. Maybe even, I believe it should be something else, but I'm pretty sure it's a clock. You have an aftermarket style 2-knob radio, and as you can see, we have the vents for aftermarket vintage air. Other than that, just to sum it up a little bit, we got the twin vinyl bucket seats, matching back seat. Got the nice, wonderful black visors. In fact, the interior is very nice on this car. Other than that, moving on to underneath the hood, featuring a 327 small block engine. Of course, 327 always sounded the best out of the most Chevy engines. Offered a little bit of power if you knew how to tune them right. Other than that, like I said before, it does have chrome valve covers, chrome air cleaner. Does have aftermarket AC to make it sound good, or even say feel good in the hot summertime. But with the convertible, they always bring a little bit more money and always a little bit more class. As you can see right now, we're going on the road now, going about 50. Driving pretty smooth, especially with a lower profile and bigger tires. It still rides as good as it would have brand new off the GM pot line. But as for now though, we're just going to get it turned around and up on the lift, so please stay tuned to see the underneath.